Hello my friends, today I am going to buy a domain name. So I use NameCheap for buy it this domain name for create landing page for my Instagram account for promote affiliate product. So I am in NameCheap. I will put link on description so you can use that link, and that is it is affiliate link. So yeah, you will redirect to this page. So my domain name will be spiritual thoughts, and I paste it on here. I just forget that 777 part, this is spiritual thought 777 part, because I don't want 777. So by the way, let's search it. So in here I am going to find cheapest domain, because I am not going to crank this on Google or any other search engine. I just redirect traffic from social media account like Pinterest and Instagram, Facebook, like that. So I don't need to get top level domain. So currently I have XYZ domain for $1, and I have online domain for 1.8 cents, 28 cents, and so far $1 is the cheapest one. So let's get XYZ domain. So I click on add to cart. After that I go to view my cart. So when it become 1.18, so it's about CNN fee. By the way, now it's $1 and 18 cents. So I'm going to check out. Okay, if you don't log in, you will see login screen, so you have to log in. So all good. I don't have any promote code. I am going to confirm order. Let me go back, because I don't need auto remove, so I just tick off of auto remove. After that I click on confirm order. Then I have to add my card details, so I will see you after I did it. Okay, done. I paid for the account and I paid for the domain, and now I can manage it. So in next video I will show you how to configure this with my server, or with my with this server. I have hosting on NameCheap, so I will show you how to configure this domain with that hosting. And so far after that I will show you how to upload our files to this domain and configure it with our social media account like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. Currently I have only Instagram. So yeah, this is the video. I will see you in next one. Bye bye.